Hello everyone, I am Dr. Poonam Rudingwa, Senior Consultant, Obs-Gynae at Motherhood Chaitanya Hospital, Chandigarh. I will be discussing about infertility. Infertility is a condition when a couple has been trying for 12 months and is not able to conceive. The duration reduces from 12 to 6 months if the age of the lady or the female is 35 or more. So, infertility can be primary infertility or secondary infertility. Primary infertility is when the couple has never had a pregnancy or an abortion. Secondary infertility is when a couple has had a successful pregnancy or a previous abortion and now is not able to conceive after that first event. Coming to causes of infertility, it can be male factor, female factor and unexplained, each contributing to 30 to 35% as a reason for infertility. Coming to male factors, the most common reason is the quality of sperm, which contributes to 25 to 80% as a cause of male infertility, and 10 to 15% are idiopathic. Coming to the female factors, most common is ovulation disorders and endometriosis, low ovarian reserve, tubal factors, uterine factors, and unexplained. Coming to the risk factors, most common is age. These days, the age of marriage has increased. The couple are getting into marriage late, and above that, they're getting into starting a family even later, which is a major reason for infertility. Age more than 35 in females and age more than 50 in males is a reason. Obesity, lifestyle disorders like smoking, excessive alcohol, substance abuse, obesity, and sedentary lifestyle, these all stress all contribute to infertility. Medical and chronic conditions in both male and female, and radiation or chemotherapy again in both male and female. Coming to the investigation, one should not delay if a couple is having difficulty in conception, because the age at which one is planning pregnancy these days has become late. So investigating is never wrong, never bad, and one should not get disheartened after investigating. If everything comes fine, all the reports are good, you can still give yourself more time. Investigations in both male and female includes blood test, and in female includes ultrasounds, hysteroscopy, laparoscopy, and some other blood test. Treatment-wise, there are 3 methods for treatment infertility. First is ovulation induction, in which medicines are given for egg formation and time intercourse. Second step is ovulation induction and IUI. IUI is intrauterine insemination, in which the best quality sperms are directly introduced inside the uterus. And the last is IVF. Thank you.